Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by confirming the essentials. Cursor AI installed, Python 3. 8+, and an API key configured. Once done, prepare a focus sample dataset and a one-sentence objective so the tool can act efficiently. Next, open your project folder and launch Cursor AI via the CLI or extension. This creates a session context linked to your files. Make sure to name the session and point it at the dataset. That initial setup lets Cursor read your schema and offer precise, contextual actions immediately. You now engage Cursor AI for the heavy lifting. Ask for specific transformations with example rows so the model proposes concrete code. Once Cursor returns snippets, run them in an isolated cell and inspect the results, distribution, nulls, and sample rows, then refine prompts to fix edge cases. Make sure to parameterize thresholds and column lists so the pipeline generalizes. After validating, merge the cleaned transformation into your main notebook or script and version control the pipeline for repeatable experiments. You finish by validating, run unit tests and summary statistics, and check a holdout sample to detect leakage or performance drops. Once satisfied, export the pipeline, document key parameters, and save the Cursor session for audits. If something goes wrong, reproduce a minimal failing example and feed that back to Cursor, specifying exact constraints and expected behavior. This targeted repro lets the model generate corrective code quickly. Finally, commit the final artifacts and note any manual adjustments you made during review.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.